I am Bisabathini Kireeti. I am proud to be Electronics and Communication Engineering. Completed at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering at Tirupati, class of 2024. During my academics journey, I was always passionate about embedded systems, and I wanted to enter the core electronics field. However, the academic weren't enough to meet industrial expectation. That's why I came across to the IIES and enrolled in their embedded systems course. The experience at IIES was transformative. The course was hands-on practical and focused on real-world applications from microcontrollers and interfacing sensors, and working on many projects. Every topic was taught with clarity and industry relevance. The mentors at IIES were incredibly supportive. They not only taught us a technical concept, but also guide us on resume building and interview perception and career directions. I am thrilled to share that I have been placed at Rays Semiconductors as a silicon validation engineer. The skills and confidence I gained at IIES played a major role in this achievement. I genuinely thank the entire IIES team for their commitment to student success. For anyone aiming to build their career future in embedded systems or core electronics, IIES is the right place to start your journey. I strongly recommend the IIES to build your career and your achievements. To join IIES Institute. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to the IIES staff and placement staff. Thank you.